We use our AirPods every day, but have you ever wondered what's inside them? Let's explore. An AirPod has a left earpiece and the right earpiece. So let's open this case, which they also call sometimes a power bank, and see what is inside. Here we go. We have a small PCB containing an iPhone charger plus some ICs and a small lithium ion battery. We have even a masking tape which was covering the two. So let's go ahead and find out what's inside these small earpieces. Let's open, starting with this bottom end, and see. Here you see the small PCB inside this thing. Yeah, that's a small PCB which is peeping out. Let's go ahead and crack from this side, as we open it. Now you can see the inside parts are now exposed. This is a small battery plus some wires, masking tape. Yeah, and there is also that small magnet. Yeah. The whole earpiece is now dismantled, as you can see. After this, now let's go ahead and open the next earpiece and see if it also contains the same components as the first one. As we can start, we start like the way we opened the other one, starting from the bottom end, then we crush the upper part.
Special in their own little way. That's what you keep telling us day after day. Find what you're good at and work real hard with love and dedication. You will go far.
Now the main components in an AirPod are PCB, small batteries, and some small speakers. Now let's go ahead and open its cover and see what is also what's inside. We see if we can also find something useful. Let's crush it. Nothing so important. There are only some small terminals which hold it in place. So let me know, guys, which projects can be used to make anything useful out of this AirPod. Thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments. See you later, guys.